In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Udemy experience with a dark mode feature using a handy Chrome extension. If you often find yourself studying at night or simply prefer a darker interface, this tutorial is perfect for you. So, let's dive in and get started. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. That's right, just navigate to google.com. Google will be our starting point for finding the tools we need today. Now, once you're on the Google homepage, you'll just type in Chrome extensions into the search bar. It's important to be specific here because there are numerous extensions, and we want to find the exact one that suits our purpose. Next, you'll want to click on the link to the Chrome Web Store that appears in your search results. The Chrome Web Store is a rich resource filled with extensions that can enhance your browsing experience, from productivity tools to simple aesthetic changes like the one we're focusing on today. After you're in the store, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. In this bar, type Udemy Dark Theme. This is the specific extension that will transform your Udemy interface into a dark mode, which can be a lot gentler on your eyes, especially during late-night study sessions. Once you find the Udemy Dark Theme extension in the search results, go ahead and click Add to Chrome. Depending on your version of Chrome, it might say Get instead. This action will prompt a pop-up window to confirm that you wish to add this extension. Simply click Add Extension to proceed. This tells Chrome that you trust this extension and want it to be part of your browser tools. As the extension installs, you can take a moment to ensure your Udemy tab is open and ready. After the installation is complete, you'll want to return to your Udemy page. If necessary, just open a new tab and navigate back to udemy.com. This is where the magic happens. Give the Udemy page a quick refresh and you'll see the nourishing changes. The entire Udemy interface will be enveloped in a comfortable dark theme. Take a moment to appreciate the new look and feel of your Udemy platform. This simple adjustment can have a large impact on your study sessions, reducing eye strain and creating a more pleasant learning environment. Remember, this ability to customize your digital experience is one of the many advantages offered by using browser extensions. And that's it! You now have the Udemy Dark Theme set up and ready to go. Enjoy a more user-friendly interface as you embark on your educational journey. Thanks for watching and happy learning!